All right, let's start with speaking part two. Describe a time you made a decision to wait for something.
I had made many decisions in my life, but here I would like to talk about a decision which I made 2 years back. My father gave me a mobile, and I have lost it during my traveling from academy to my apartment, and. He bought a old mobile for me, and he said that it could happen again. So when will you free from study, I will buy a new mobile for you. Even though I wasn't satisfied with my old mobile, because it was hard for me to search something because its battery timing was very poor, and I faced a lot of difficulties during its usage. So I took a decision I should wait for a right time, and when I will be free, then my father will be give me another mobile.
My
So
father will give me another mobile.
yeah, and after a long time, the time came, and he got me, he gave me a new mobile.
All right, 1 minute, 7 seconds. Just try to speak actively, energetically, and as you describe, mainly focus compound sentences. And you need some improvement in your pronunciation as well, right? Let's go on. Speaking part three. What do people in your country often do while waiting?
Well, in my country, people scrolling their mobiles.
People scroll.
People scroll their mobiles to get new notifications from Instagram, Facebook, and other applications. So waiting is a very irritating for everyone. So that's why they do this.
They usually do such type of things while waiting or to kill the time while waiting. Try to conclude your answer at the end, and your conclusion should be as strong as the beginning of your answer, right? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.